Today we will review 5 of the most common startup questions for Radion 8140. Number 1, regulating valve position. This can be found by exiting the work mode with master off, home, setup, OEM. OEM password is 9090. Enter valve setup. Enter regulation valve type. 2 choices, bypass, throttle. Bypass means the regulating valve is in the return line back to tank. Throttle means the regulating valve is in the main flow line. Once that choice is made, return to the work screen. In the work screen, select Manual. Manual mode is now selected. Notice the increase and decrease arrow. With connections to the valve, holding the up arrow should increase pressure. Holding in the down arrow should lower pressure. If that action is the opposite, return again to setup, OEM, valve setup, and change your choice. If it's in throttle, change to bypass. If it's in bypass, change to throttle. Next, we would like to talk about the valve calibration numbers. Those are located in Setup, Machine, Implement Parameters, Regulation Parameters. Here is coarse and fine calibration. These can be changed by keypad. If the valve is plumbed in bypass, starting calibration values, coarse, 9, fine, 5. If the valve is plumbed in throttle, suggested starting numbers, coarse 3, fine 3. Once that is done, exit, return to Implement Parameters, Section Configuration. Here we will define the number of tips per boom section. Currently I am programming section number 1. I will enter 6 tips for section 1. Programming section 2. Currently section 2 has 4 tips. This will be repeated for the number of boom sections on your sprayer. Finally, the 5th detail that we will cover today will be calibrations. Those are located in Settings, Machine, Calibrations. Here we find implement speed, flow sensor, and liquid pressure. Entering flow sensor, notice we enter the calibration number in pulses per liter. For more information about the Radion, please visit TeeJet.com, then Support and Manuals. There you will find Radion User Manual, Radion User Guide, and Radion Reference Guide.